In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import MKV files in Premiere Pro. If you've ever tried working with MKV videos, you might have noticed that not every program handles them smoothly. Fortunately, Premiere Pro makes the process pretty straightforward once you know where to look. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through, step by step, how to bring an MKV file into your project, and I'll add some tips along the way so you know exactly what's happening and what to expect. First, make sure you already have a project open in Premiere Pro. It can be a brand new project or an existing one you're editing. Once your project is open, take a look at the very top of the screen. You'll see the main menu bar running across the top of the window. Up there, click on the File menu. This is where you find most of the core actions like creating, saving, and in this case, importing media into your project. When the File menu opens, look for the option labeled Import. Go ahead and click Import. As soon as you do that, your computer's file browser will appear. This is the window that lets you navigate through your folders and drives. From here, you need to locate the MKV file you want to bring into Premiere Pro. You can browse through your usual video folders, your downloads, or wherever you typically save your footage. Once you've found the MKV file, click on it to select it. After selecting, you have two options to confirm. You can simply press Enter on your keyboard or click the Open button in the file browser window. Both do exactly the same thing, so just use whichever feels more natural. Now, Premiere Pro will begin importing the file into your project. Depending on the size of your MKV and the speed of your computer and storage drive, this might take a moment. It's a good idea to give it a little time and avoid clicking around too much while it processes, especially with larger or high-resolution videos. When the import is finished, you'll see the MKV file appear in your project panel. By default, this panel is usually located in the bottom left corner of the Premiere Pro interface. You should see the file listed alongside your other media assets. From here, you can drag it straight onto a timeline, preview it in the source monitor, or organize it into bins just like any other clip. And that's it. That's all you need to do to import an MKV file into Premiere Pro and get it ready for editing.